Close up, Miss Squirt. This is Squirt. This is my Squirt, my little. Come on. Come on, let's show him how you pet. Come on. Come on. You want to get patted? Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There. See? See, look at how affectionate she's gotten. Look, she lets me pat her. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. You want to sit on my lap? We're not up to that yet. I don't think. Look. See, she doesn't run away anymore. Isn't she cute? She's still a little too outside though. Oh, she's done. Ready to eat. Goodbye.